everyone. I got my Burberry scarf on. I was wondering if any of you all have spent an hour looking for a flathead screwdriver. Well, I did. I looked for a screwdriver for so long that my entire face got chapped from the wind. What is it about flathead screwdrivers? I found 15 Phillips. And you know, you can only have so many uses for Phillips. But I remember back in the 50s, my mother and father would get in an argument over screwdrivers. No one could ever find one, and here I am following the tradition. So I had to go under Amazon and order a flathead screwdriver. I tried a butter knife. No, butter knife is not substantial enough. Evidently, I needed a big screwdriver. Okay, so yeah, everybody should have a toolbox, and you should always put back the tools. I remember my daddy did ceramic tile work, and he put all his tools in a 5-gallon bucket and left it in the back of his Chevy. I'm a Ford girl. But no, I'm not eating chocolate. Yeah. He would let the rain get in there and totally rust out his tools. So he always had some helper that always would, you know, knock the rust off. Well, we have a traffic jam where I'm in. Yeah, for breakfast I had a Schwan biscuit. Their biscuits are very good, except they're very expensive. I may never get out of here. Yeah, I think tools were a big issue in my family for arguments, definitely. So, I'm going to have to cut this video short in just a second. Yeah, I can't drive at night anymore. I never thought. I was always loved driving at night, but the lights are very blurry to me now. Very blurry. It's also very dangerous to drive when you can't see. Bye, everyone.